Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is March the 13th and this is Henry. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of USD Yen 60 minutes time frame. As we can see, the pair continues to extend on the upside and the rally here is in the form of an impulse, a 5-ways rally. Okay, so we completed this wave 3 and the wave 4 in the minor degree, and now we are in the last phase of this rally, 1 2 3 4, with very soon we should be ending 5 in black and 5 in red, and therefore get a bigger pullback again after that. So let me zoom out to give you a little bit more ideas where we are in the larger time frame, because the 1 hour probably is not really giving you that much of an information for this particular case. So if I zoom out on the daily, you can see that we recently broke above this peak here, right? So that means it is technically bullish, right? It is technically bullish, but at the same time, the question becomes, where are we in the bigger, in the bigger scheme of things? Now, I think I'm just going to be focusing on the idea that this current rally is an impulse, right? As you know, in the 1 hour as well. But if in the daily time frame, my focus starts only from here, from this last significant low back in January this year, January 27. Now you can see it looks like we are in a 1 2, and then now we are finishing 3, right? We are finishing 3. So going back on the 1 hour time frame here, once we finish 5 in red here, and that should actually finish most likely only with 3, right? So think about it this way. I'm going to be labeling this as a 1 in the higher degree, and this is a 2, right? So this is a 2, this is let's say intermediate degree here. Okay, so then basically we should be getting close to finishing 3 right now. So as you know, 3 in blue will be subdivided into another 5 ways, right? Because it's an impulse. So we should be ending, like 5 in red, which should be ending 3 in blue. Okay, and then we will get 4 in blue with one more leg higher, at least to finish 5 ways up from January. So it looks to me that with this breakout, it will imply further upside in the USD Yen. You can see the current extension of this 1 2 is somewhere around between 100 and 161.8. Now if we could continue to see more upside in the shorter cycle, if we keep extending higher, then there's a potential we can even reach this 161 before we finish 3 in blue, 5 in red, 3 in blue, right? Depends. It doesn't always have to reach 1.618, but I'm just giving you that potentially we could continue to extend higher within this wave 3 all the way up to 161. Okay, and again, once we finish that cycle, we should be going into a bigger degree wave 4, which is usually around 23.6 to 38.2% retracement of the wave 3, and then from there we should be extending higher again one more time. So in the shorter cycle, yes, it's a little bit mature, this cycle here, right? I mean, if you keep buying it in the shorter cycle, then there's a risk that suddenly, wave 3 finish, with 5 of 3 suddenly finish, and then you can start doing a little bit bigger pullback. But even if wave 3 is finished, the idea here is that I think most likely we should continue to see more upside because the structure looks incomplete. Only 3 waves so far, with a break above the previous peak. Okay, so that's the update for USD Yen today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on Forex, commodities, indices, cryptos, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.